SolidWorks Composer. Whether you are documenting assembly procedures, product information guides, or publishing safety manual, technical publication plays a critical role in any product launch. When importing a new assembly in Composer, it is always recommended to select the appropriate import profile depending on your origin of CAD data. New in SolidWorks Composer 2021, the open dialog box gives you more control with direct access to this configuration information of the part or assembly. Once the assembly has been imported, there are plenty of great rendering styles built in Composer to get the right look or feel for your final documentation. We'll quickly select the flat technical view for our assembly. Before diving into the rest of this project, there are a few document properties that are worth adjusting. Navigating to the File drop-down menu, SolidWorks Composer 2021 offers additional user settings to selection and highlighting options. You can now allow for hidden edges to be shown, along with modifying the color intensity. And just as before, colors can also be set for both parts and assembly selection and modal highlighting purpose. Previous versions of SolidWorks Composer have had the ability to modify other document properties, such as viewport background, to remove the gradient and adjust background color. The paper space can be set to standard document sizes listed in the drop-down menu, or in this case, we'll set custom ratio of 16:9. Units can also be modified from metric to English or vice versa. The new enhancement in Composer 2021 is the ability to save these document properties. This is extremely helpful when working with other systems, saving and updating previous projects on company-wide document settings. The next step for this replacement part catalog is creating some views for different cleaner head options. Composer quickly offers a way to hide and show components with right mouse bottom pop-up menu. In this case, hiding all the unselected components and leaving just the subhead assembly. New in 2021, you will also see an updated user interface. Moving the configuration tab and docking to the right side gives us a more place to access the configuration that was brought during the import process. Now with new configuration active, it is easy to create additional views for this final document. We'll quickly jump to this view, and in this view, there are a handful of parts that are hidden. And when selecting this assembly configuration, you will see the only visible components are highlighted. New in SolidWorks Composer 2021 is the ability to toggle this visibility on and off from the system preference. With this, you will see the direct visual feedback of the hidden and shown components in each of your selection. Each variation of this cleaning head subassembly need their own exploded view. We'll simply select these cleaning blades from advanced selection tool with a single click, and using the explode transform perfectly position this blade. And finally, with the predefined styles for callout, all the path numbers and descriptions are automatically defined and formatted. I'll quickly jump to the completed project, and you can see there are different viewing styles that has been added along with the exploded views. New in 2021 is the ability to host and save the native Composer file directly into 3D Experience platform. You can go through all the views that has been saved. This allows the interactive content to be viewed through any web browser on any device. That's all for Composer. So we'll move on to our next topic, CAM. SolidWorks